Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the role and features of public enterprises in Indian economy. Public sector has been playing an important role in economic development of the country. यानी जो सार्वजनिक क्षेत्र है वो देश की अर्थव्यवस्था के विकास में महत्वपूर्ण रोल अदा करता है. The public sector is an important and powerful tool of economic development. दूसरी बात आती है कि सार्वजनिक क्षेत्र जो है वो आर्थिक विकास का एक महत्वपूर्ण टूल है, महत्वपूर्ण और पावरफुल टूल है एंड इज कंसीडर्ड एन इम्पॉर्टेंट मीन्स ऑफ सेल्फ सफिशिएंसी. और दूसरी महत्वपूर्ण बात है कि इसे एक सेल्फ सफिशिएंसी के रूप में कंसीडर किया जाता है. अब नेक्स्ट जो हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इसमें कि मेन कंट्रीब्यूशन पब्लिक इंटरप्राइजेस का देश की अर्थव्यवस्था में क्या है. तो पहला पॉइंट है जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे, फिलिंग गैप्स इन द कैपिटल गुड्स. At the time of independence, serious gaps existed in the industrial structure of the country, especially in heavy industries like steel, heavy machines, tools, oil exploration and refining, power and equipment, chemicals and fertilizers, defense equipments, etc. The public sector is playing a very important role in filling these gaps. The infrastructure required for the rapid industrialization is built through the production of strategic capital goods. In this way, the public sector has expanded and strengthened the industrial base of the country. Second contribution, creation of employment, यानी रोजगार को भी क्रिएट करता है. To tackle the problems of unemployment in the country, the public sector has created a numerable employment opportunities. The public sector provides about two-thirds of the total employment in the organized industrial sector in India. The public sector has also protected the employment of millions by handling many sick industrial units. The public sector has also contributed significantly towards the improving the working and the living conditions of the workers by working as a model employer. During the financial year 2017-18, near about 10.88 lakh employees has been employed in public sector enterprises. And next, third contribution, balanced regional development. Public sector undertakings have set up their plants in backward parts of the country. There has been a lack of basic industrial and civic facilities such as power and water supply, urban configuration, and manpower in these areas. Public enterprises developed these facilities, which brought about significant changes in the socio-economic life of the people in these areas. Steel plants at Bhilai, Rourkela and Durgapur, fertilizer factories, etc. in Sindri are appropriate example of balanced regional development by public sector. And fourth contribution, contributions to the public proceeds. Apart from the creation of internal resources and payment of dividends, the public enterprises corporations are making substantial contributions to the government exchequer by paying profit taxes and through excise, custom duty, etc. And next contribution, foreign exchange and export promotion. Public enterprises are also constantly striving for the exports promotion of the country. State Trading Corporation (STC), Mineral and Metal Trading Corporation (MMTC), Hindustan Steel Limited, Bharat Electronics Limited, Hindustan Machine Tools, etc., have made significant contributions to exports promotion. In the same sequence, foreign exchange earning of public sector enterprises increased from rupees 35 crores in 1965-66 to rupees 42,264 crores in 2004 and 5, and foreign exchange earning from CPSEs stood rupees 98,714 crores during 2017 and 18, and rupees 1,43,377 crores during the 2018-19. Now, okay, girls.